Hello guys, want mini PC under budget? And in this video, we are going to talk about each one by highlighting their specifications. If you are interested in any of these mini PC, we have listed all the links below. Number 1. Meet the DeskPod in UCD. A compact yet powerful mini PC that delivers full desktop performance in a tiny footprint. Equipped with an AMD Ryzen 3 5300U processor, 4 cores, 8 threads, 16GB storage for RAM plus 512GB NVMe SSD. Upgrade friendly. You can expand memory up to 32GB RAM and storage to 1TB SSD to future-proof your setup. Connectivity is rich, built-in Wi-Fi plus Bluetooth, high-speed USB ports, and multiple display outputs: HDMI, DisplayPort, USB-C, so you can run dual or triple monitors. Number 2. Meet the Skull Saints Core X Mini PC. A beast packed in a tiny body. Processor: AMD Ryzen 5 4500U, 6 cores, 6 threads. This is the claimed CPU for this variant. Triple display support, likely via HDMI plus DisplayPort, USB-C plus a second HDMI DP, as claimed triple display support. Support for up to 64GB RAM via to SODIMM slots and dual storage expansion. 2 plus maybe 2.5 SATA, based on the variant with Ryzen 7 4800H, with Wi-Fi 6E next-gen wireless, Bluetooth 5.3. Number 3. The MSI QB510M Mini PC is a compact mini PC from MSI. An entry-level CPU for lightweight computing. Processor: Intel Pentium Gold 6405U dual. 1 HDMI output, 1 DisplayPort output, 1 USB 3.0 to Gen 1 Type-C, USB 3.0 to Gen 1 type of ports, USB 2.0 ports rear, for example 2. 1 RJ45 gigabit Ethernet port. 0.1 headphone out audio. Graphics display: integrated graphics in CPU. Supports 4K 60Hz via DisplayPort in certain models. Number 4. Meet the iSolutions Ops Mini PC, a next-generation open pluggable specification system. HDMI and DisplayPort, supports dual display up to 4000 resolution. Audio output: USB ports USB 2.0, USB 3.x. RJ45 gigabit Ethernet port. Processor: Intel Core i5 11th generation quad-core, 8 threads. Base clock: up to 4.2 GHz turbo boost frequency. Graphics: integrated Intel UHD graphics for 11th gen CPUs, supports 4K display output. Memory: 8GB storage for RAM pre-installed, expandable in most variants. Storage: 256GB M. Number 5. Meet the new Mac Mini from Apple. Compact, powerful, and designed for the future. The 2024 model, powered by Apple's M4 chip, is a major step forward in performance, efficiency, and design. Processor and graphics: the M4 chip in this Mac Mini features a 10-core CPU and 10-core GPU in the base version. 3 Thunderbolt 4 ports in the rear for the M4 version. 2 USB-C ports at the front, HDMI, headphone jack, Ethernet, and more. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on the bell notification bell so you don't miss our next tech breakdown.